Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, alongside Education Minister Rakkam Sangma, had launched the GREEN Meghalaya Plus scheme in Tura on the 3rd of October 2024. This initiative is an extension of the state government's Payment for Ecosystem Services or PES program, which offers incentives of up to Rs 20,000 per hectare annually to individuals and communities for forest conservation efforts. The newly introduced GREEN Meghalaya Plus aims to expand forest conservation by an additional 50,000 hectares or 500 square kilometers. Since its inception, the PES initiative has benefited over 3,000 individuals and communities, resulting in the preservation of more than 54,000 hectares of natural forest. Over the last 2 years, the state has allocated Rs 44 crore for forest conservation and an additional Rs 200 crore has been earmarked for future efforts. A key feature of the PES 2.0 is its broader eligibility criteria, reducing the required land area from 2 hectares to just 1 hectare, enabling smaller landowners to participate. During the launch event, beneficiaries from across the Garo Hills expressed their gratitude to the government for supporting their conservation efforts. The event also saw the distribution of checks under various government schemes including CM Elevate, Focus and PES. In his speech, Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad Sangma thanked the beneficiaries for their dedication to forest conservation and highlighted the importance of balancing environmental responsibility with economic development. He emphasized that while the government continues to invest in afforestation, Meghalaya's unique Green Meghalaya model serves as a leading example in preserving natural forests. Sangma encouraged communities to actively engage in these conservation efforts for the sustainable protection of forest cover.
Aro jol ini zaman rodit Sangma yang songsak blok ni jamge ini songni ha wa lakatang hajal kolachi school recas nigo dal manangenga ini zaman jol rupal stone Sangma yabe individual ni kita apply ka ha damborong jeng blok ni simseng balsi kitam songni ha wa lakani hajal dokpo dal manangenga. Ini zaman jol Sebila Sangma ini zaman copot blok ni Lakbri Hajar Cisku ini zaman Kace PG yang zigzag Southwest Garo Hills Soniuha yang mangbai cendia aro daalo uamang Hajar Sotbong ako ceko mananginga
daalo ya MDA NPP led government daalo ye 7 years bubble sisni running okinga aro ye bilsis ni giset ko Meghalaya baka challenges rang tunga baka niknakari rang tunga baka development rang ko nang kuinga hindi ba yari ang pa bilsis ni giset ko kragatan at sing tangani rang ko na abat singinga Rama jatlang uksamay na Tentang at sini janji tangani chorang uksamay na At sini health facility rang uksamay na School log rang uksamay na 100% kamrang ko matsuta ani akan caya Hindi ba at sini kasan yarang ko Tentangat na abat singa Meghalaya ni sugamag economy ko akadon tentang activity rang sorkari baita tangkap esrang ko kurus kainga kami gi itsa kaparang baita tangkap esrang ko bonginga private sector rang baita pa investment rang ko takinga import export ni ko atsing baita tangkap esrang ko matinga Ya belum ko calculate ka ibang anjini economy ko ba GDP ko calculate karoma. Aro Meghalaya ni GDP ara हजार भी चिच्चेत लंसियो 1000 प्री crores या चिनी MDA सरकारी नि मुक्सुमानी ara या चिनी matne चानी को बांचनी इकोनॉमी नि साइज को अंचनी डबल चुकमतान 1000 सोचको ना 1000 सोचको crore ना अंची को बारियत ना गेन अने आंगा टारगेट को ना और दालो ये टारगेट तो पंचक के चिंगा गवर्नमेंट नि साइड में कोरस खाएगा दंतांग सेंट्रल स्कीम राको चिकर आपाएगा दंतांग एक्सटर्नली एडेड प्रोजेक्ट राको आपाएगा सेंट्रली स्पॉन्सर्ड स्कीम राको मैक्सिमाइज खाएगा थारा की यूटिलाइजेशन सर्टिफिकेट राको बताते आरो एडिशनल थांगा राको चिका सेंट्रली को आपाएगा